are you here volunteering at the castle?
Well, initially I wanted to have a look at the art installation of the Poppies because I am an artist and I have got some spare time.
And what has been your favourite thing about volunteering at the castle, and what's kept you coming back every day?
The children.
The children?
Yes, I've loved working with the children. As you can see, they've done lots of work here. And I thought I'd like to make a big piece to bring the whole thing together. And I always think that the animals are forgotten about. So this is my homage to the horse, the war horse. And it's made entirely of tissue poppies.
What made you want to become a volunteer? So why are you here volunteering at the castle?
I've recently retired from my work,
to come along
end of July actually. And I was thinking
I volunteer anyway. I volunteer for Citizens Advice Bureau, and it wasn't that I was looking for anything else. I saw it in the paper,
something like this,
and thought, gosh, what an opportunity!
And what's made you keep coming
to
back?
have something like this in North Wales? Yeah, stunning. So I thought, well, I'll see if they need me. And they did, and it's been really good.
So you've been here throughout the whole time?
I've started the first week, just doing a couple of days, because I do volunteer somewhere else.
Okay. So what have been your highlights of volunteering? Or so far, has anything memorable stuck out to you?
I think what sticks out is the days can be so different. Like today, it feels that nobody wants to talk to you as a volunteer. And there are other days where they're really talkative and communicative and, want information. So it's just strange, different days.
But when I saw the advert in the
what's been keeping you coming back volunteering?
Once I commit to something, that's my motivation.
I want to come back.
I stick it out.
So what's made you keep coming back to your volunteering work here?
I think it's because it's so varied, because we're moving around in different areas. And meeting lots of different people as well, and it's very organised, so we know exactly what we're doing when we arrive, and I like that.
Yeah. And for you, what's been a highlight of your experience?
Believe it or not, showing the blind veterans around on Tuesday as a tour guide. And I've actually learnt something from coming here about how to do tour guiding, and I think that's been quite a good benefit for me.
Has that inspired you to do more things like this?
Yes, I think so, definitely. I'd be definitely interested in anything else that's coming up in the volunteering area in Cymru.